Below is a very detailed step-by-step explanation of Aliskiren, written in clear medical clinical language, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing, medical, or pharmacy studies. Aliskiren direct renin inhibitor. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Aliskiren. Drug class, direct renin inhibitor, antihypertensive agent, acts on the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS. Brand name, Tecturna HCT, Aliskiren plus hydrochlorothiazide. Drug forms, oral tablets, 150 milligrams, 300 milligrams. 2. Definition. Aliskiren is an orally active antihypertensive drug that lowers blood pressure by directly inhibiting renin, an enzyme responsible for initiating the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. By blocking renin, Aliskiren reduces the formation of angiotensin II and aldosterone, leading to vasodilation and decreased blood volume. 3. Mechanism of action detailed. Normal RAS pathway 1. Kidneys release renin in response to low blood pressure, low sodium, sympathetic stimulation. 2. Renin converts angiotensinogen, angiotensin 1. 3. ACE converts angiotensin 1, angiotensin 2. 4. Angiotensin 2 causes vasoconstriction, aldosterone release, sodium and water retention, increased blood pressure. How Aliskiren works. Directly binds to renin, prevents conversion of angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1, leads to angiotensin 1, angiotensin 2, aldosterone, vasoconstriction, sodium and water reabsorption. Final effect. Lower blood pressure without increasing bradykinin levels, unlike ACE inhibitors. 4. Pharmacokinetics, ADME, absorption, poor oral absorption, bioavailability 2.5%, high-fat meals reduce absorption significantly. Distribution. Moderate plasma protein binding, 50%, metabolism, minimal metabolism, minor role of CREA4, most drug remains unchanged. Elimination, primarily eliminated via feces, minimal renal excretion. Half-life, approximately 24 hours, allows once-daily dosing. 5. Uses, management of hypertension, used as monotherapy, combination therapy with thiazide diuretics or calcium channel blockers. Not commonly used as first-line therapy due to safety concerns. Indications: essential primary hypertension in adults. Patients unable to tolerate ACE inhibitors or ARBs, selected cases. Contraindications: explained. Absolute contraindications: pregnancy, causes fetal kidney damage and death, diabetes mellitus, when combined with ACE inhibitors or ARBs, severe renal impairment, GFR 60 milliliters per min, history of angioedema, hypersensitivity to Aliskiren. Why contraindicated? Dual RAS blockade increases risk of kidney failure, hyperkalemia, hypotension. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use cautiously in patients with kidney conditions, renal artery stenosis, chronic kidney disease, electrolyte imbalance, risk of hyperkalemia, cardiovascular conditions, heart failure, severe hypotension risk, volume depletion, dehydration, diuretic use, elderly patients, increased sensitivity to hypotension. 9. How to use administration. Take once daily, same time each day, with or without food. Avoid high-fat meals. Swallow whole with water. Do not crush or chew tablets. 10. Dosing information. Adults. Starting dose, 150 milligrams once daily. Usual dose, 150 to 300 milligrams once daily. Maximum dose, 300 milligrams per day. Special populations. Children. Not recommended. Elderly, no dose adjustment. Monitor closely. Renal impairment. Avoid in severe cases. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next dose. Never double the dose. Overdose symptoms: severe hypotension, dizziness, weakness, bradycardia, management, supportive care, blood pressure monitoring, electrolyte correction. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately if angioedema occurs, severe hypotension develops, pregnancy is confirmed, acute kidney injury occurs. Avoid ACE inhibitors or ARBs in diabetes or kidney disease, potassium supplements, potassium-sparing diuretics, dehydration. 13. Side effects detailed: common, diarrhea, dose-related, headache, dizziness, fatigue. Less common, rash, cough, rare compared to ACE inhibitors. Serious angioedema, hyperkalemia, renal failure, severe hypotension. 14. Vital information, key counseling points. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Periodic blood tests, kidney function, potassium levels. Avoid pregnancy. Maintain adequate hydration. Report facial swelling or difficulty breathing immediately, not recommended as first-line therapy. 15. Other drugs that will affect aliskiren. Drugs that increase aliskiren levels, cyclosporin, itraconazole. Increased risk of toxicity. Drugs increasing hyperkalemia risk, ACE inhibitors, ARBs, potassium supplements, potassium-sparing diuretics. Drugs that reduce effect or increase risk. NSAIDs, antihypertensive effect plus kidney injury. Summary, one-line exam point. Aliskiren is a direct renin inhibitor used to treat hypertension by blocking the first step of the RAS pathway, thereby reducing angiotensin II and aldosterone levels. Thank you. Have a nice day.